Afternoon, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. It is February the 23rd. This is hive number 106 on the east fence, and we're going to take a look and see at that and see if we can make a split the busting. Y'all have a great. It's about 76 degrees out here, and it's about 3 o'clock, I think. Nope, 1 o'clock. I was close. I was within 12 hours, so I'm the winner. Okay, last time we looked at this was on 216. Yeah, the queen egg broods, not much in bottom. They have eaten their food, that or else I didn't have any to give them. But they know me. They know I'll give them something. Those girls run around like they think it's raining out here. Okay, put glasses on so we can see. Don't look like there's nothing much on the outside two frames. Center two frames look promising. Yep, nothing. Just bees. Just one of the frames. They're walking on it, so they're probably planning on building it when they don't build things. Bees are cool. They're not like people. They don't build things that they don't need just for status. They build it as they need it. This is the honey frame, and now once they get honey started in this, or even now, I put a honey super on there. I put this one on there, and they've already become acquainted with it. That's a plastic frame too. That was the same thing. This is the same thing as the other side. They're working on it. What we got with these three. They're putting a little honey in it. That's big cell, so it's used for drone or honey. The whole thing. It's got a little nectar in there. Brood and eggs and larvae and drones. The side over here is capped out. Has drones, eggs. Right here we have some drones, capped drones. We have a couple of capped drones right there. We've got brood in here and some eggs and some larvae. We have nectar up here, a little bit of honey, pollen, and stuff. I'm going to decap a couple of drones here. See about mites. I don't see any. queen. But she's come back up towards the top, so we're going to do something different here. She's got that all laid up. She's got drone eggs and worker brood. Okay. But she's not ready for letting. What we're going to do is take that one off. We're going to take this one out. Well, we're going to put that one right there. Got to go to the freezer and get some more. I don't have any more frames around here. Empty frames that they could work with. So we're going to take that. This. Give them food. Kind of like anything else, people. If you got pets, you need to feed them if they can't. If there's no food anywhere else for them to get it, you got to feed them. And my girls here are more than pets. They're my friends, family. Actually, they don't hurt you as much as some family. My family's a good family. Some people, but anyway, they're very calm. They're gentle. They know me. I guess they know me. They can sense. It's kind of like a dog. If a dog senses you got fear, they're going to attack you. If they don't, they won't. So these know I don't fear them. I'm cautious of them. Now, don't get me wrong. And I do wear my veil. That's not because of my bees. That's because of other neighborhood bees. You know, your kids go out, they're going to bring somebody home with them that you're not going to like. So, bees are the same way. They'll bring people home, or somebody just walking through the neighborhood. We gave them pollen and patty, and we give them sugar syrup. That was a ladybug. I know kids like ladybugs, but I don't. Okay. And that's that. Say this is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. Give us a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share. All that good. Y'all have a great one.